Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making some baked cheesy pasta. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Right, the first thing we're going to work on is the sauce. Now, in a pan with some olive oil, I've gone in with about 6 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped, and I'm also going to add an onion that I've chopped as well. I'm going to saute this for a few minutes. Then I'm going to go in and add my chopped tomato. Now, I like to use the ones that's got, a little bit of herbs and stuff in it. So this one has basil and oregano inside. Now, I'm just going to let this simmer down for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm also gonna go in and add some thyme. Now if you want to pull off the little thyme leaves, then you can, but we gangster like that around here, so we're just throw in everything, then we'll pick them out later. Also gonna crumble in a chicken bouillon cube, because the thing got, I love that stuff there, so mostly going enough woolly things, because I just think it adds such a good flavor. Add a little bit of sugar just to cut the tartness from the tomatoes, and just literally gonna let this simmer down for about 10 minutes whilst I cook my pasta. Now also add in some mixed Italian herbs. Now once your pasta is cooked, you're just gonna slowly add it into your pasta sauce, which should be ready by the time the pasta is cooked, and just mix that in. I'm also gonna just add a little bit of the pasta water, just enough to make the thing just nice and juicy up and thing. Now it's important for you to just prep the little something then before you start. Now add up and mix up and blend up and do what you have to do with the sauce and the pasta. Also gonna go in with some freshly chopped parsley. Gonna plate this up in a dish, and I'm gonna put it in the oven now. We're gonna add some cheese. Here I'm using some mozzarella. I've got some red Leicester cheese that are freshly grated, and also some mature cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna do this in 2 layers, but if it's 1 layer you're working with, is 1 layer you're working with. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, where are you pan? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell, so when I upload a new video for my returning subscribers, I think big up on yourself every time. Now you're gonna put this in your oven for about 20 minutes. Now I didn't want my cheese to get really crispy, I just want it just moist and just nice and just baby. There you have it, guys. Simple, easy, quick dinner. For them nights when you just don't have the time for in the kitchen. Now look at this, look at that cheese pool, just nice and cheesy and just nice and delicious and everything you want to call it. It just did nice. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.